Hi everyone. Okay, so my LaLa Land came in. Oh, I'm so excited to see this one. I did see sneaks of this one and I was so excited. I live near about 45 minutes away from Monterey, California, and so this is like perfect. Just so perfect. I love it. So you get 2 big rubber stamps and you cut them out. You cut all the birds out, you cut all the sentiments out. So this all gets cut out. She gets cut out with the sentiments out of the way, and look how big they are. So fun. And then you get a die. So this is, you get the stamp and you get the die, and it's $50 a month, and I think it's worth it. And you have, let me show you. So these are the dies and the stamp. This is what you get. So you get the seagulls, and you get Marcy, Coastal Marcy, and you get, these are the dies. So the seashore circle, Pillings border, Pillings, is that how you say it? Pillings, Pillings. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. And yes, English is my first and only language, but you know, you could still suck at it. So I don't know what they're called. Mainly because I don't care. So that's why I don't retain a lot of stuff, because I just don't care. So remember, every month I show you, keep your board. Wow. Keep your board, and then these stick to them. So you take them all off, you know, you cut them, and then they stick. So you have your instant holder. All right, guys, that was it for LaLa Land. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, take care. See y'all later.